cloth and I'll show you my alphabet twin. A for apple, B for balloon, C for car, D for dinosaur, roar. E for eraser, F for fish, G for guitar, H for hat, I for ejection, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion, roar, M for Mercury, N for necklace, so small. O for orange, P for Columbia, Q for quilt, R for wing, S for soap, T for train, with other train,
No problem. Come on.
U for umbrella, V for vegetables, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for
शाम नीचे बैठ।
yogurt, Z for zero. Bye friends, I'll see you next time.
Thank you.